Guys, and today we're back here with another video. Okay, so me and my brother, we're playing the older case clicker. Like really, it's a lot older. Hold on. He's at 9:30. Okay. What is up, guys? We're back. Today,
oh my god, I just got
we're back with another unboxing video. So we're gonna spend about 50 million, maybe.
Oh god, look at this.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna spend about.
Oh, I got the blue one.
We're just gonna do a spending rate because we get all our money back after, basically. So I'm here with my brother. So as you guys know, you should know that the wait, Manny, where are you?
I'm hiding in the corner.
Well, I gotta come next to you so they can see you in the video. Where are you?
I'm coming.
Alright, come back to where we were. Do you know what that is?
No, I gotta reset my character. So, reset character.
Spin again.
End the video.
Okay, so we're gonna spin one more. We're gonna spin again.
I got the golden Damos hat.
I didn't. I was like close to it, but I don't need it. I don't really want it. Oh man, we've seen a lot of whites there. So we're gonna get this purple Dominus. I don't know what these are called, man. I know that's a furnace, and that's I don't see. And all I know is one of them are in furnace. In furnace and yeah, this is the Domino's hat, obviously. Is that you? Where's me? Where are you?
Is that you, man?
Yeah, that's me. See how we green? I think that's because we got a lot of money. I don't know. Man, you want to get a lot more money? See where it says 510?
I know, you already told me that, didn't you?
Yeah, but here's the thing. If you go over here, you can make more, you can get more money. You just gotta click on it.
How do you do that?
You all the way at the end, and then find it says buy clicker. Just upgrade that.
Oh shoot! Look how much money I have now.
Now it's like $1,000 per click. Like that's amazing, bro. $1,000 per click, obviously. Yo, everybody's saying they're broke.
I'm not broke.
We ain't.
We got a lot of money.
Why is there
Your money.
way we can give money? Bro, we're getting all these clicker bucks.
What am I gonna get?
Yeah. If there's a way to get money, I would give money to them. I mean, maybe there is. I don't know.
Oh my god.
I
am the one, man. Look at that. I am the one who's back on the street. Quit.
Yeah, I'll give them a free dominant. I mean, I'll give them a free, I'm like, what do you mean give them a quarter?
Shut the fuck up.
Stop. I'm trying to find one of my...
YouTube?
No.
No, why did I close that? I'm a retard. That was a lot of money right there.
There you go.
Would you
have that? I gave him a free Dominus for like 1 million. It was freaking crazy. 1 million, like 800, 900,000. I don't know. Minus Dominus.
I'm selling that.
Take it. Take it.
Who, me?
No, I'm talking to this guy. Now this Hulu guy.
Oh my God. That's a lot.
I'll give him one.
That's a lot of money with that. Can I talk?
Take it.
Tippy toes. Come on, your tippy toes. Tippy tip.
No problem.
Tip.
Alright, so we're gonna get back to the unboxing, guys.
Tippy.
So how about we do a diving? I don't know what this is. I can't read, guys. I'm just kidding. So we got Rainbow Shaggy. It's really not a lot. Oh wait, no, I want.
I give up.
Alright, we'll do the, wait, it's called Christmas? What? It was a Christmas box? That's what it's called? Oh, we got Domino's head, man. That's only like, check your
come on, I hate that thing.
Let's spin again.
I want that on my face. It's a hat. No, I'm selling that. F
Maverick
that.
Richards, wear your thing. Get the hoodie, get the hat.
Shut up. You're having video on.
I feel like we can get more money a
I
different
just
way.
got a cat.
A cat, really?
No, 301 for that.
That's 300,000, but okay.
No, not that much. So,
should I sell this? No, I'm not gonna sell it.
I be smoking holes. I be.
Okay, I'm gonna do some legendaries from now on.
Oh!
Alright, nice, you got a crescendo from Assassin.
What is that? How much should
It's
I?
like
should I
crescendo.
sell that?
What do they call
Should
that?
I
It's called
sell
the souls.
Should I sell that?
Yeah.
Yoda.
No. Oh, no, don't do it.
Equipped?
Yeah, you can have it as your knife if you want. If close if you just want it in your
Oh, it comes out fire too.
spin, I don't wanna.
Wait, which one are you?
I only do it if it's like a million robot. I mean, really, okay, this is gonna be a good one.
This
is gonna be
not gonna be.
Yeah, it is, dude. You got a Dominus out of it. Oh yeah. Oh. Take that.
Somebody hacked me.
Nobody hacked you.
Nobody hacked me.
Oh, please tell me I'll get that Dominus. Yes. I got Dominus. I have
What
100.
am I get to get?
We got the same thing. Oh no way!
Wait, which one is that?
I wanted it. I think
What is this
I love
one?
this here. It's the black box. Okay.
Racist?
I'm not being racist. Sorry, my brother.
I got it! Oh, yeah, I did get it.
I got. You mad, bro? I wanted that. Yes, I'm putting that on. I'm equipping that. You mad, bro?
You mad, bro?
You mad, bro?
Mad, bro? You mad, bro?
No. I'm happy, bro. No. Yep, I'm.
What?
No, I'm happy.
What do you call that? A little city?
Oh, I thought that was gonna be like crap or something.
People are black in the city.
Shut up.
We should post on Facebook. We should post this on YouTube.
I am. I'm gonna definitely post
Oh yeah, black.
I got another hair.
Black people can't drink plain water.
racist. Stop being racist. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh come on! What is that? What
Okay,
do you
stop.
call?
You're screaming. People don't like that.
Screaming.
Oh my god! I wanted that so bad.
I wanted that.
I'm mad, bro. I like the. Okay, you can tell me. You got what? A green? I mean, I don't know. Yes, give me the done. This is why I don't get my hopes up ever, unless it's like assassin. Like I always get my hopes up.
And I got rainbow, Matt. I just took rainbow.
I don't. Oh my god, that's an awesome Dominus. That looks nice, like the one that you just passed.
Wait, what is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Should I get that? Sell it?
I'll
Should I
keep
sell
it.
Alright.
I'll keep it. You don't have to quit it. Just press spin again if you want to
Oh,
go.
shoot.
No, that's gonna wish. Oh, you don't have enough. That's right. Obviously, it's gonna go slower than dog balls.
What did you just say?
Dog balls.
What did you just say?
Dog balls.
Oh, my brother's being rude, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry that my brother's being so.
I hate bandanas.
I got that. I got that.
You know him.
Should I buy that? Should I press that?
So no, keep it.
Keep it.
Yeah, no. You just press spin.
No,
if
it's
you want.
on me in my mouth. I'm
When you-
being that guy.
Well, you're gonna have a bunch of crap on you.
Look at my skin.
Why do you?
I didn't do that.
Okay.
I almost got the rainbow knife.
A unboxing
Boxing.
bid.
Boxing. Okay, guys, today we're gonna be unboxing 100 of boxes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You don't have to. This kid's on crack, guys.
Should I sell that? Matt! Matt! Should I sell that? Should I sell that? Should I sell that? Matt! Should I sell this?
Nope.
Okay, I'm putting that clip. For I'm wearing that. Yo!
Wait.
I got a golden thing.
Yeah, don't sell it. Alright, we'll do one rainbow. No, we're not doing a rainbow. Until I get maybe 20
I can't
million.
buy that one? I can't buy any.
Man, that sucks. I just got to have a 1 million box. That sucks.
Guess what I'm about to get? I got a little cute
You want
rabbit.
something, Jakey?
What do you call
It
that?
really hurts. Yes, I got a white Dominus. Thank God, dude. I get all my money back. I get more than
Black
what I
people.
had. Stop talking about black people, bro.
Nah.
What?
It's a nerd.
I know.
Yo, guys, my brother's so mean.
Wow, how
He's
am I
calling me black. He called me black one day.
Shut up. Because you were being mean to me.
I wasn't being mean. You also had to chuck you all across the room. If anybody's gonna watch this on YouTube, say they're a whore.
Stop.
You better blurt that out. See, all right. If you're gonna post that statement, tell everybody they're a whore.
Oh my God, bro. What?
If you're gonna post this on YouTube,
Are you kidding me?
say they're a
The Eagles lead the Vikings? Bro, how are the Eagles leading the Vikings 31-7? And how, bro? So it's going to be the Patriots and the Eagles going to the Super Bowl.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
You got Lord Sinister.
I got the lava head.
Oh my God, man.
Equip this, Matt. Should I equip this? Should I equip this?
I don't care, bro. I'm mad. Actually, I wanted the Eagles to go. Even though my teacher's gonna be like, no, my God, oh my God, the Eagles are going to the Super Bowl after 15 years. When you and
Did I really just get that?
it really hurts. Now I gotta go and put you in the dirt. Yes. All right, I'm done doing these.
Equip him. I want to equip. Okay, equip it. Okay. I'll sell it.
I got 3 Dominus Astras, bro. Bro, I got so much money, in this, right here.
No money.
Man, I want some free stuff.
No. It won't give me money.
Yeah, because you can make it in the money. Because you only got 32,000.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you need money, bro. Okay, I'm trading you 2 Dominus Astra. Okay, trade.
I just
Crap.
got,
I gotta get this off. Manny man. No, not 2.
Everybody.
I'll give you a Georgie balloon.
Stop it.
Dominus Astro. Okay, now I'll confirm. Now, Manny, no, you do not. Go to see that trade button. No, get out of that. See the TRA? Now, see that Tubs of Chicken one?
Oh,
Press accept.
I can have all those? Wait, where's my money at, yo?
Okay, now go to your inventory. BA. Now let me do this part, because it's going to be laggy and hard. Sorry.
My money!
We'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let's end this video off with a two more Christmas cases. Let's go. Let's hope we want whites, okay? Yes, baby. Oh no, we didn't get a white though. We got a legend. Well, this didn't look so good, so we're gonna do another one. Come on. Give us a white. Man, we're seeing a lot of whites. I was about to say, don't give me that. That's alright. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will see you guys in the next video. Right? Me. Alright, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.